Hi, this is the period where the whole globe is facing a pandemic, and we are not strange to face this. We also happen to go through the same tragedy, and this is I am going to inform you. Most of the people, they are scared. I think more than the corona infection, the stress and the anxiety and the people not taking the medication on time due to this fear of corona, that gives more damages, more complications than corona itself. That is what I observe, and our health ministry doing better than even some developed countries. It is proven in the first wave. Second wave is always like European and American countries. We also having lot of numbers. Actually, the number, we shouldn't be bothered about the numbers. We have to think about the effect. Still the mortality is going on, but compared to the numbers of the diagnosed patient, the percentage of deaths are comparatively very less. So one thing, keeping in those in mind, I want to impress you about the emergencies. Most of the people who got any emergencies like abdominal pain or bleeding from a wound or breathing difficulty and a chest pain like heart attack, in that case they are thinking, if you go to a hospital, you are risking yourself to get corona infection. That is the fear, and that's how they try to avoid, and they try to be at home, get some home remedies. Even they want to talk to their GPs, general practitioners, and try to avoid the hospital, and they are trying to tell lie also. They are not telling the gravity of the severity of the symptom, and they are to just tell, I got a small mild chest pain, there's a small bleeding, there's a wound, doctor, what can I do? Even I'm getting a calls from so many people. They ask the messages, what can we do? Please text me. So that is very wrong practice. But if you in an emergency situation, please, even you are from a lockdown area, the police people are there, you can go and get the permission from the police or the relevant authorities, and the ambulances. Thank God we got a free ambulance service. If you dial 1990, they will come to your spot. They know how to take you in a safe manner. They take themselves protected as well as your safety. They will bring to the correct place. And once you come to our hospital, I am attached to National Hospital Sri Lanka. We have a new system, and daily we are updating. Daily there are a panel of consultants. They discuss about daily changes. They are improving the system, and we are giving the correct treatment for emergencies, as well as we are giving treatment for malignants, that is called cancer patients. And don't think that if you got admitted to a ward in a government sector or anywhere, you are prone to get your next patient is going to be a corona, or whether you are getting corona infection. So that is actually very myth. It's actually a wrong concept. What is my message from this this talk? If you have a pain or a very acute problem, never hesitate to come to hospital. That is the safest place. There only we can direct you in a safe way and prevent more death or complication from your problem. As well as same time, we will advise you how to avoid this infection from others. And we have isolation wards. We have theatres separately for corona positive. Even we are operating corona patients. Even after knowing the patient is infected with corona, if appendicitis is there, we are operating. We take all precautions, we are operating. There are, I can give you enough numbers of corona patients operated and went to the IDH hospital, and they have gone home without any problem. So you have to trust me. And if you are doubtful, you can even come and you can see what is going on in our hospitals. We are doing our level best. There are problems because this is a new virus. Even the world, so-called strong, economically and politically very strong countries or governments, even America, UK, Germany, they also finding difficult to face this problem. So we, within our limitation of resources, our consultant, without any other countries much help, we are managing our patients, our problem we are facing, and we are facing the challenge. That is, there can be some errors, its bias is there always, but for my knowledge we are doing the best out of what is available. So don't worry, whenever you got an emergencies, please, you should go to the nearest hospital and get your problem sorted, and it will prevent lot of problems and the complications. Thank you.